This is an iseo F5 30mm Euro cylinder, 5 pins, spools. It was sent to me by Hazakazad or John Dow. So to try to get into it, I'm going to use my 39 thousandths Lawlox tool pry bar and my Moki Standard Slim. Gotta click out of 3 and it goes into a false set. So 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 puts us back into a false set. 2, 3, 4, 3, and then went back into the false set. 3, 4, and then 5. If I can get underneath of it. So 5, but I dropped some things. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Alright. 1, back in the false set. 2, and it opens. So yeah, that's the iseo. It does have 5 spool pins in it and has 2 low cuts, and it likes to drop things on you.